Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the VICOODA digital bathroom body fat scales. So this is a really interesting thing. It's quite cheap. It's not even $30 and it's Amazon's choice. So it looks really interesting, and I thought I'm going to buy and try this out. It has a lot of different functions, but I'm planning on doing two different videos. Here we have I'm showing the listing and make an unboxing and a quick review, and there will be a more in-depth video about this, where I'm going to show you how the different option works, and especially with the app, how to connect and how to set up the app connect and everything. So this is the first video, just more or less the unboxing and a little bit of description and functions. Here you can see what's really interesting. You have access to 8 different health data. You can see them here below: muscle mass, body weight, maybe I can show again, visceral fat, bone mass, body fat, BMI, body water, BMR, a lot of different data. And you can even take the weight of a baby. It's some kind of baby mode. I will try how this works. And of course, here you see the app, a little bit of preview, and it has unlimited user. No matter how big your family is, there is space for everybody to fit into this app. So really interesting. Yeah, the basics are the the accuracy is 0.2 pounds, which means 0.05 kilograms. I hope that is correct. I have not converted that. Seems a little bit odd, but yeah, I'll see that later on. So, but it goes up to 180 kilograms, means about 396 pounds. That's huge. So almost everybody will fit onto these nice scales. So yeah, that's it regarding the description. And so let's check how it looks, what's in the box, and first touch and feel. So here's the thing. Looks pretty nice. Here the whole description on the back side. And so let's open the box and see how this looks. It is well protected. It's an extra cardboard on top. I really like that. This is awesome. This is not always the case, but here we definitely need that because of this nice glass surface. I don't know if it's glass. I think it's really glass, and it comes with batteries. But so that means you have to be really careful. This is really a beauty of scales. And yeah, so that is something on top of that. So we remove that, of course. Small description, I will look into that later on. So we get the instructions, the battery, and probably some more instructions underneath. Let's see. Yes. Oops. Let's try to get it out. So here we have a nice booklet, and the full description. Measure range, working theory, caution, safety, precaution, and then we have a QR code how to install the iWellness 3.0 app. Looks it's available on Android, and that's probably the App Store, Apple App Store, I guess. I will look into that later on. You can see, but it's definitely available for iOS as well. Here we have the first description. There's a lot of description, everything in English, so it's only in English. I guess there is more, maybe more languages in the app, but here at least in English, very detailed. It is super easy to insert the battery. You just have to switch this battery back door to the side, and then you have access, and it's easy to see what the direction, correct direction is. So okay, it should be ready to go. Okay, and yeah, when you use a battery, be careful, don't put this really beautiful scale down with the glass surface on a hard floor. Otherwise you could easily scratch it, maybe, or you could scratch the floor. I don't know, but it's for me it looks too beautiful to put it down on a hard floor. So, but of course when you use it, then you have to remove any kind of carpet, then you have to put it down on a hard floor, otherwise it won't work. So yeah, I've set it up, the battery is in, and now let's see if we can just use it without app, without any instructions. So we just tip on the scale as we usually do. Nothing happens. Oh no, that's good. Okay, it's already on 0, that's super fast. And now you can see my weight, 163.2 pounds. Okay, that's really easy for people who don't have smartphone or don't want to use a smartphone. They can, it's also ready to use, very simple, very fast. It's quite accurate because this is really my weight. I can't really complain about that. Yeah, so, but I think there is nothing to set up apart from that. When you step on it, you can easily see that there is a sign. Probably this is the sign that we have to link it to the app. Otherwise we cannot do anything except from seeing one person's weight in pounds. But at least it's possible to use it without any instructions, without any app. That's really nice. So I will definitely close the video for now, and I will check all the instructions and set up the app, or definitely I will show this in another video. So make sure you check out the next video as well, where I'm going to show how to use the scale with the app. So if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about the things. And yeah, I will definitely put also the link to buy it on Amazon. Yeah, I'll put it down in the description. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.